Hey, hi guys. Welcome. Welcome to another market breakdown. I think I actually stop sharing for now. I'm just showing my face. Um, Welcome to another market breakdown. I know. I've been missing. I've not been around. It's been 8 months, right? Since I sent out my last recording, my last market breakdown. I was so taken away with work and had such a tight schedule since the start of the year that I neglected my YouTube channel. And today I just want to take out some time and give you guys an in-depth analysis of what I'm seeing on the market and the opportunities that are there for us. Um, the opportunities that are with Waveright FX Limited as a company. I think before this video, you probably have watched the workshop that we did online. A couple of participants. We did a live workshop as well here at the office, and the turnout was good. So as usual, from this month, I'll continue doing market breakdowns for you guys. And again, I'm so sorry, for not doing that in the past. So straight to the point. Um, let's look at our beloved DXY. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a rundown of what has been happening with DXY from the start of this year. DXY, some chart. So from the start of this year, 2022, we've had massive surges in DXY. This is January. This is where we started, and this the dollar has gone crazy. Right, it's literally gone crazy, and it's been doing such powerful higher highs, and it's been responsible for so many things. The crash of the crypto market. This is what has been the primary source. At some point last year, I talked about the crypto market crashing, and earlier this year, 2022, in June, it actually hit my prediction. My prediction was 20,000. Now today, if you're watching this, I am predicting 4,000. All right. So using this video as a reference, as a point of reference for the future. I do not think and I do not see the dollar weakening in strength. I think that we are going to have a very, very aggressive moves upwards. We're going to have very, very aggressive highs. So based on that, if I'm looking at DXY today, I'm going to flip it over to the 1 hour chart. We are trapped in a range. Of course, it is NFP week and nothing is happening on the market, so we have a sideways movement there. We will continue, executing our trading plan and using our lot size calculators very, very wisely when our trading plan tells us to trade. Now, to use the trading plan, make sure you switch to you get a training package from waverfx.com. There are lots of discounts going on this website. It's an amazing website, and once you're in the academy, you're able to learn about everything concerning currency analysis, from the most basic concepts to the most advanced concepts. So make sure you tune in. Now, if I'm switching back to the charts, if I'm looking at gold has been making lower lows, right? Since the year started. I'm just going to flip over to 2020. This is a daily chart for gold. Not on this trade. Gold is stopping this range between 1694 and 811. You can always come back to the video if you miss those levels. And 2021 versus 2022. Since the start of this year, gold has been dropping. So I started somewhere there. We had this little surge, and then around this point, the market just tanked. It's just been tanking, and it's actually gone for lots of pips from that point. That was around March. From March to now, it's lost a lot of points. You can see about 27,000 points over there and counting. So what's my prediction for gold? We have support over here. Now support over there. I'm going to make it round and flat. Round and flat. 800 over there. Now if this pair, or if this metal, because it's a metal that I like trading, if it breaks this consolidation area over here, 1694, I'll actually make it 1680, 021. If we break that zone, then definitely we'll be seeing gold reaching lows around 1459. If I'm looking at dollar Swiss, one of my favorite pairs, again, dollar Swiss, move side by side DXY. Since the start of the year, we're looking at dollar Swiss, this 2022 over there. It's been growing. It grew to this resistance point over here. It grew to this resistance point over here, and bounced off the resistance and literally just retraced. It's doing a retracement around. It did a 50% retracement, rejected off 61.8, then 50%. What are my thoughts on this pair? If I go to the 1 hour chart over there, this pair right now, this pair has created structure over here, and it's literally trapped in this zone. It's literally trapped in this zone around 0.95, 235, and 0.98, 104. Now, this is my anticipation. I don't think dollar is going to be weak. What I think is that this pair, this one, this pair will literally break this zone. After break, wait for retest, and then we should see dollar Swiss actually going to 1,00300. Or if dollar weakens for some reason, which I really doubt based on what's happening in Ukraine and Russia, then we will see a movement down that way. But basically, for now, what you have to do is just to wait for this movement between 0.98, 104 and 0.97, 235. You wait for breakout and then you react accordingly. Last but one market, euro dollar, another major that I trade a lot. Beginning of the year, I am doing a recap from the beginning of the year because I haven't sent out any video since this year started. A lot was happening with me, and I wasn't able to do that. But since the start of the year, I've been trading. I'm actually going to review to you guys some of the results that we've had this year toward the end of the video. But from January, literally, it's been a bloodbath for the euro, and today the euro is in parity with the United States dollar. Understand, parity means $1 equals €1 or less, or $1 is greater than €1. So this market has been a bloodbath from the start of the year 2022. We had a little range, and this market has actually plummeted and tanked as much as 1,413 points. It's dropped about 12.31% since the year started. I do not think the euro will sustain this support that we find around this zone. So this is the support I'm looking at. Looking at this support around 0.9961, but well, I should move the support below here. That's the logical and realistic thing to do. The market already came to 0.98966, and literally right now, this market is in a zone. This is a zone, right? Once if we do break this zone based on dollar strength, then what I expect, if we break this zone like this, we test, what I expect is the euro just to go to zero. It's gonna be terrible for Europe. I started in Europe. I do not wish this to happen to the Europeans. It's really sad what is happening in Ukraine and Russia. And all what I wish is that the powers that be can find resolution to this war that is taking away so many lives. I think, not to sound political, but what Ukraine is going through is not fair. And all what I can wish is that peace be restored because so many lives have been lost. And now there's a pending energy crisis in Europe based on what the Russians want to do. No hate to Russia, a great nation as well. I just hope the powers that be, take the right action. If I'm looking at the pound and the US pound dollar, one of my favorite pairs as well. If I'm looking at it from a daily time frame also, since the start of this year, let me just clean this up. Since the start of this year, this market has taken a pounding, a beating from the United States dollar as well, due to dollar strength. 2022 over there, December 2021. We had this little push up there, and then boom, from January, hell just broke loose. Hell broke loose for sterling, and today, from January 2022, the sterling has lost 2,008 points, 0.1, and that's lost about 14.79% in value. Do I think that this sterling will rebound? That will depend on if the dollar is going to lose strength, and I do not think the dollar is going to lose strength. Just to update this chart, this is the support we're looking at. And the reason the dollar is not going to lose strength is because a lot of investors and market leaders view the dollar as a safe haven, all right? So everyone is trying to acquire dollars, and that is raising the value of United States dollar currencies and United States dollar backed assets, and everybody's dumping whatever alternative currencies they have for the dollar. So based on NFP that is coming up on Friday, if we break this zone and retest in that direction, we will see incredible new lows. So just watch out for this zone. 1.1912, 1.17881. After NFP, you can take action. Again, if you want to know what to do, you have to, you can access any of our trainings. That is actually Waverider FX online training. That's Waverider FX Basic. Just have to go to the website, you buy a training package, and you can see me there teaching people how to trade. It's a very easy website that anyone from any part of the world can use. Right now, it's on promotion. It's on some crazy promotion, but that promotion is going to end. You can see the website is auto is it's an autonomous website. It works for itself, and it actually takes you step by step, gives you step by step guidelines on how to become a profitable currency analyst. So all you have to do is buy a training package, get access, you know, be able to have the knowledge that I have the knowledge that people within my community have, and be able to be profitable. So just to wrap up, the last market I'm going to be looking at is Bitcoin. A lot of talk around Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually is the world's first cryptocurrency. And last year, when it was at 65K, right up here, you can go to my old videos. I said around June 2022, we're going to hit 20K. That has come to fruition. I was at a Bitcoin event because I'm a Bitcoiner myself. Forget about prices. It's the best technology that has ever been created. And it's the best technology that invention known to man in terms of security, and because it's inflation proof, all those things. That's another school for itself. But right now, based on dollar strength, from the beginning of this year, from the start of 2022, so Bitcoin as a currency has lost lots of value. Lots of points there. The market has dropped by more than 57%. 57% wiped out already. If NFP is good tomorrow for the US, I'm sorry, Bitcoiners, because this is the support that I'm seeing right now. Structure is over there. It's already hit 17,000 this year. So if it can't hold, if that support does not hold, then what is going to happen? I'm actually going to use an extension tool. So retracement over there. So extension tool. There and there. So with the current retracement that we have, if the extension we're going to go through, then we could see Bitcoin at as low as 4K because this is the next logical support around here. Right? And we could see Bitcoin at even 3K, right? And for me, what I like to say is this will be the reasonable area to buy Bitcoin because understand throughout the course of our lives, Bitcoin is going to hit $1 million. I don't know if you knew this, but it's going to happen at some point because paper money that's in circulation is prone to inflation. They keep on printing it and loses value over time. So, guys, that was it for today. I'm actually exhausted. I just finished a workshop, but listen, you guys use the information I've shared. Get on waveriderfx.com, get yourself a training package. This package is the most quality and affordable training package in Africa at the time, at the moment. Just to share the screen again, let me just share it one more time. Boom. We have some amazing reviews on Trustpilot. So make sure you follow us on Trustpilot and check out WeReadFX on Trustpilot. Just one negative review there, and we've worked on that already. So we are the best educator in Africa. We're trying to educate the masses and show people how this is done. So without further ado, I'll talk to you guys again next week, and I'll bring you guys more breakdown on your favorite markets and especially Bitcoin. So have a nice day, have a nice week, and talk to you soon.